Hello, scientists. All right, we are here in Digital Science Notebook Part 1. So the first assignment you're going to click on is the one that says Renewable and Non-Renewable Resources Review. So click on that. Okay, and that's going to take you to this evaluate page of the unit we've been working on. So I recommend reviewing all these things. What is non-renewable energy? Make sure you understand the definition. What's renewable energy? So go through all of these. Make sure you understand everything in here. If you have any questions about it, you can always go back into the chapter or the unit and explore it. And then when you feel ready, go click on this link and it's going to take you to a practice assessment. And there's 5 questions on here. You can hit the Take Assessment button and then go through and answer all of these questions. Now, a good test-taking strategy that I learned when I was in college that was very useful is to study off of practice assessments. So it says energy transformation refers to which of the following. Now, a study strategy is to go through each question and not just find out what the right answer is, but figure out why the wrong answers are wrong. That will really help build your background knowledge. So go through and answer all of these, and when you're done, when you get to the last question, you're going to hit submit. Now, after you hit submit, it is going to show you what you got right or wrong. And my recommendation then is to go through and make sure you understand why you missed the ones you missed and why you got the ones right that you got right. Okay, and then when you're finished, you can go back into your digital science notebook and reflect. All right, let me know if you have questions.